Dennis, let's talk through three pieces of advice we would give somebody that you would like to give somebody as they're starting to kick off a project, whether it's with QOC or somebody else, like as they're starting about their new ERP system. What pieces of advice would you give them?
Well, first off, I'd say know what you're getting into. Like ERP system replacement is not for the faint of heart. Yes. You need to make sure that you're committed up front to what this journey is. It is a journey. You're going to be challenged to think differently about your business. You've got to be open to change, and you've got to be committed to managing the change within your four walls with your users. So you're going to hear things that challenge your beliefs about how your company actually functions. And you're going to you certainly have the elephants in the room. You already know about your big pain points. And obviously you want to address those in the course of the project. But I think, I think really just making sure you're committed to the journey up front and you have a solid partner that can support you in that journey.